original song I wrote called Got Caught in the Rain. Got caught in the rain last Monday night. Got caught in the rain last Monday night. Slow, steady footsteps echo off the walls and I ain't never seen myself such a sight. What did I find? Nothing I couldn't leave behind. A steady pound of drums inside my head. A sure reminder that I'm not already dead. All alone in the dark with my shit on my knees. Take me away from this place, I'm begging you please. What did I find? Nothing I couldn't leave behind. Cut my hair and I changed my name. I bought a ticket for the midnight train. We're flying down the railroad tracks. I promise you I ain't coming back. What did I find? Something I couldn't leave behind. Woo. I'm Happel and I'm going to rock camp.